In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Calendar and connect it to Google Calendar and your Notion workspace. Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use Notion Calendar and connect it to your Google Calendar and Notion workspace, step by step, so everything lives in one place and stays in sync. We'll start by opening Notion Calendar in your browser. Head to calendar.notion.so and sign in with your Notion account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean calendar view that will become your central hub. Next, let's connect your Google Calendar. Click Connect Google Calendar, choose the Google account you want to use, and allow access. This permission lets Notion Calendar read and display your events, and it's essential for two-way updates. After a moment, your Google events will appear right inside Notion Calendar. If you don't see them immediately, give it a few seconds to sync and make sure the correct calendars are visible. Now link your Notion workspace. Click Add Workspace, select your workspace, and authorize access. This step lets Notion Calendar show your Notion pages and databases that have date properties, so tasks and projects with dates can appear directly on your calendar. Think of date properties as the fields in Notion that store due dates, start dates, or event times. To bring in a specific Notion database, open the Notion page that contains it and confirm that it has a date column. Then click Open in Calendar and select that database. Your tasks or events will now map onto the calendar based on their dates. If you don't see items, double-check that the date property is filled in and that you have permission to view the page. You can also add events directly in Notion Calendar. Click any date, type the event name, and add optional details like time, category, or notes. Notion Calendar will assign it to the currently active calendar or database, and you can adjust those settings if needed. Use clear titles and set times to keep everything organized. To customize your view, switch between month and week to match your planning style. Use filters to narrow down by category or workspace, and toggle visibility to show or hide either Google Calendar or Notion events. This is especially helpful when you want a focused view of work tasks or personal events without distractions. Finally, updates happen automatically. Any changes you make in Google Calendar or in your Notion databases will sync to Notion Calendar without extra steps, so your schedule stays accurate everywhere. And that's how you use Notion Calendar to connect your Google Calendar and Notion workspace. Easy to organize all your tasks and events. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.